everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and if you're visiting for the first time, welcome to my channel and thanks a lot for stopping by. Diwali is right ahead of us, just a few days to go, and I cannot contain my excitement. In today's video, I'm making a quick DIY decor that is unique and beautiful, very easy to make, and you can also gift it to your family and friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoy it. So let's get started. Today I'm making Henna Inspired Tea Light candle decor, and these can very beautifully pull up any space and make it look vibrant and very pretty. There are only two things that we need for this DIY decor. The first one is tea light candles and the second one is acrylic paint cones. You can use 3D liners or puffy paints too. The acrylic paint cones are very easy to make, just need few plastic cones as well as some acrylic paint of your choice. And the 3D liners and puffy paint are readily available in any craft shop. If you want to know how I made the acrylic paint cones in detail, do mention it in the comment section below and I will make a separate video for it. Using the cone, I started creating henna-like pattern, leaving some room for the wick in between. You can make any design of your choice using any color. It's absolutely on your creativity. Next, I am using puffy paint in metallic colors to make it look more vibrant and festive. Once the paint is dried out completely, it's time to decorate the outer shell of the tea light. I took some washi tapes and bead tapes to cover the outer shell of the tea lights. The next step is the easiest. We just need to wrap the washi tape around the tea light cover like so, and it is done. Similarly, I covered all the tea lights with tape and beads, and it looks amazing. I just ensured that the color of the tape and the color of the henna pattern complement each other. If your washi tape is slightly thicker than the tea light, you can either trim it off or just fold them inwards to the base of the tea light. Next, I took a cake board and started making henna patterns on it too. This can be used to display your tea lights or diyas. I'm making very simple and easy to make henna patterns along the sides of the entire cake board. And this is how the henna inspired cake board and tea lights have turned out. It looks so pretty and I am amazed. Do try out this super simple DIY and gift it to your friends and family, and I'm sure they'll love it too. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a happy and safe Diwali. See you in the next video. Bye bye.